In this video guys, I will share with you how to use Base44 software. So friends, this is the software and this is a website. All you have to do, you can click start building. After that you see this section for apps, you have integration section, you have apps templates. This is for template guys. You have marketing template, you have business tools template. For example, you can use this template, just click clone or view details from here, and or you can view this one. This is the template for education market guys. Just click clone app and you can use and you can edit this template. Just connect your account with Google. I want to connect my account with Google. You can create account from scratch also. So guys, this is the template and you can use and you can start editing this template for education. And also guys, you can you have a text generator. You can add change something. For example, if you want to change title, I want to change the title, and then you will see this bot will guide you to change here. You can generate a text also from here. You can add guys description your app. For example, I want to create a simple app about food guys, for example, or restaurant, and then you will be generate all the description and apps features from here. And you have also this setting guys. You can also add file from here, and you have apps integration. You can create integration from here. This is the software and the app. It is good guys, you can use. Thanks for watching.